a basic book for understanding the Quran in Arabic. Get ready. Each word of the lesson will appear on the screen for 2 seconds. Say its meaning within 2 seconds, then check the answer. Adjust the video speed as needed. Make sure that you have read and completed the relevant lesson beforehand.
الفاسق.
The disobedient.
الاستغفار.
The prayer for forgiveness.
الاختلاف.
The contradiction.
الفقير.
The needy one.
الغني.
The self-sufficient.
الخيانة.
The betrayal.
الخبيث.
The corrupt one.
الولي.
The guardian.
الحاجة.
The need.
الظن.
The assumption.
المكان.
The place.
الرضوان.
The pleasure.
الأكثر.
The most.
عيسى.
Isa alayhi salam.
الوالدة.
The mother.
الوعد.
The promise.
الملة.
The creed, religion.
العظيم.
The great one.
الوالد.
The father.
المسلم.
The Muslim.
العشاء.
The night.
إسحاق.
Ishaq alayhi salam.
آدم.
Adam alayhi salam.
السنة.
The way.
الحسنة.
The good deed.
التفصيل.
The explanation.
الحكمة.
The wisdom.
الشاعر.
The poet.
العابد.
The worshipper.
المقدار.
The extent, measure.
المدة.
The term.
التجارة.
The trade.
العهد.
The promise.
التكبير.
the takbir,
العمر
the age,
البخل
the stinginess,